and walked me up the stairs of Isabel's hospital.
Really, I think it
And
must have been such a relief.
like just like she said about this
Person who cycled back, so I think
cycling back. So I can
what
be
they're now
I can
saying
proudly
about
say, and you can see me today.
Yes, I
walking
think it's
from
really
I drive,
so
I
happy.
run.
And she is the editor of our taglines. So, which is our this
No,
thing.
I mean,
So,
in-house magazine.
In-house magazine.
And it's not a bulky instrument
Okay.
which needs, you know,
very non,
so
very,
it's just
very
the size
small.
of a cell
Cell
phone.
phone, yes.
In fact, it's
Here.
so
And-
right.
and
It's
So right from the heart to the
you
back,
have to
it has
charge
worked
it
on
here.
different,
The charger
organs.
is here.
a small.
The charger, you get it with this.
Very compact
I
instrument.
mean, not free, but obviously. So this is the charger. You have to charge it here, and the light will come behind. Old one. This is the EM pulsar. You have to charge it, and this is the old one.
So very
So, this is the
inexpensive and very compact.
And there's a treatment zone on the other side. The treatment zone should be kept.
So right from the heart to the back, it
to
has
the
worked.
kidneys, to the liver, to the.
So it's
whatever.
really
Every organ
an
is
all-in-all
I would like to
instrument.
specify two important cases, just very simply. One is a very rare syndrome called slow Leriche syndrome. Leriche apostrophe S syndrome, which is actually simply means blockage at the abdominal aorta level. Many aorta level. So all the branches, everything will get thrombosed.
Oh.
There will be lack of blood supply. This was very nicely captured in an angiogram, and that man did not want to go through stent. Stenting is the only of surgery, and surgery you can't do. You can only do microsurgery for this. So my father, Dr. C.V. Krishnaswamy, he took it upon himself. He said we can map out the areas, isn't it? Wherever the block is, you keep it on top of it. Then you keep it on the other leg and keep it at a central level of the aorta.
Okay.
So intensive, just like how you went through. This was also intensive. In 15 days, you can actually focus your camera on this. This was the kidney. Can you beat it? It looks like a lung, a distorted lung. Then after pulse treatment, the kidney became this. This was the kidney. There's no air, no blood supply to this kidney. This looks like a leaf man. And now, after the pulse electromagnetic, it's completely better. Of course, there are other things that you need to, take care. Okay.
What is this?
This is the same. He had no blood. This is the same thing.
Case.
Okay.
So because there is no blood supply, toes will not also get blood supply.
The entire body.
Abdomen, aorta supplies everything.
To nail itself.
Yeah, it's cyanosed. No oxygen in this thing. So it's very important.
No, the best part of this treatment, because I've undergone
Yes,
this
I think
therapy.
And you can
is
focus
that
with
there is
this article by
absolutely no pain.
Professor CVK also.
And it's so non-invasive,
Non-invasive.
non-disruptive in your
And,
daily life.
You get better so
So quickly.
Correct.
Yes.
It's very, it is
And no
definitely.
hospitalization. No
Exactly, you can do it
running
in your
around,
home.
no
And
going to
why
doctors.
go through surgery?
Surgery.
And all the
Then you can
hassles of
avoid.
it.
And the trauma of post-surgical trauma, you can
How-
avoid.
and
You can avoid
However,
it.
non-invasive,
Yeah.
they say, laparoscopic, everything. As an incision is an incision.
Listen, it does leave some trauma.
So
leaves
this
some
is
trauma. So
again another case I would like to highlight. This is a patient who came with a severe intraventricular hemorrhage, subarachnoid hemorrhage. After and she became very seriously unconscious. Glasgow coma scale was 0 basically. And what is intracerebral is inside the brain, within the brain, not outside the brain. The bleeding was all full inside the brain. And we kept the machines on either side of the blades and a CT scan. A CT scan was done. Okay. Here you can actually see Mrs. K was admitted with a history of intraventricular hemorrhage and subarachnoid hemorrhage following a fall at home. She became deeply unconscious and was hospitalized for 2 months. 1 month in a corporate hospital and the second month in a railway hospital, Chennai. On admission to our hospital, TAG VHS DRC, she was conscious but not able to move her right lower and upper limbs. She was in a vegetative state with the rice tube, feeding and indwelling catheter. There was a deep bed sore. That is an important thing to note here, a bed sore.
Okay.
In the left sacral region, because lack of nutrition, lack of blood supply, all this can lead to bed sores.
Bed sores.
There was loss of cognition, that is, she could not understand what was going on. In a higher function is lost. In addition to supportive care, she was also given the DM pulsar therapy. It was applied to the areas of the scalp corresponding to the areas of the damage, wherever the damage was correspondingly. If it's in the left, the right means left, because usually the dominant side is the right side, and so we are all right-handed. So the dominant side is the left side. So you should keep it there.
Oh, okay.
So that way. So vice versa. So it was kept on either side, the scalp region, and wherever other areas are processing. And after 2 days of DM pulse therapy, she started speaking.
Okay.
But not
Wow.
coherently always. She also regained memory of old events. And over the next few days, her speech gradually improved, and she's actually now able to converse in languages known to her. But actually, I will tell you, it's not a myth. There have been cases in history where people have talked in different languages unknown to them,
Okay.
because we don't know what we store in our brain.
Okay.
So what we have learnt in our childhood will suddenly come.
Suddenly surface.
That's what it does. Now, and then she was completely stabilized. So,
So
that's
the,
the
I think the
pulsar.
simplicity of this VM pulsar is what is so attractive
But
about
the main
it. No,
thing
the
that
way
we
it
have
is
to understand
very,
is-
I think you
but
are a
even-
very
even-
good example.
But even with that, I think moderation is important. We should not say we cannot do without it. We cannot do without it. This can even become an addiction.
Okay, so we have to guard against that.
Yeah, anything you want to do is you keep
Okay,
this.
okay, so we have to guard against
Done again. But so far there is no side effects to this.
Okay.
No side effects, and it's
very,
It's so
very-
easy.
so easy.
And
Ease of
it
use.
is not disruptive in your daily life. You don't have to go to the hospital for this.
But
Yes.
not much studies have been done in pregnancy. I have to tell you this, because
Okay.
that's
Yes.
one thing that,
Correct.
and children not much, and pregnancy.
So you can see the Ayurveda
So you
definition.
treat patients with Ayurveda.
Yes.
Ayurveda.
Since some
And,
people we cannot
Is this
control, we are sending them
Okay.
to
And,
Ayurvedic specialists.
is this specific to diabetics or all
everything.
cases?
For
All
everything,
cases.
yes.
And Ayurveda is totally safe.
Yes, definitely.
And what about the long-term implications?
Long
and,
term, some people they are not able to because of strict diet control and the medicines they give. So for some time they use Ayurveda. That
How
gives good
effective
results.
is it?
Yeah, it's very effective.
Effective.
For sure,
And,
regularly it's very
The
effective.
diet
but
regimen is
It's very
important.
strict in that. How practical is it in everyday life?
That's
Ayurveda.
the problem.
Ah.
So
People are not able to follow the strict diet. They have to give up so many things.
yes.
Okay, but where people have been strict about their diet, there has been a very good
Yes.
response.
Yes. You
Okay.
can see the statistics.
Okay, that is very nice.
About 33 cases there was good improvement.
33% of the
Cases
cases
had
had
good
any
improvement.
Okay.
27 was good improvement. Yes. Poor
One third is
it's
very
40% because of their irregular
I know.
diet control.
good. So this depends a lot on the willpower of the patient
Yes.
also. Okay. Thank you.
Duration of diabetes ranges between 5 to 35 years.
They could not because they are not able to follow the diet control.
So what is so
just a conclusion
that
of
she
it.
draws
Yes.
is
Okay.
2/3 of the cases who have followed the treatment have been able to reduce
Allopathic, okay.
and they have the rest of them have responded satisfactorily.
Satisfactory.
So it's
Okay.
only the people who have not been able to control their
So I
diet.
think-
There's absolutely nothing you can
Yes,
do.
so this depends on the willpower of the patient.
It's totally up to the
Up to
patient.
them. But when they've been able to follow, very good improvement has been.
90%, more than 90% we are able to.
Okay, that is really nice.
No, but it's very nice that in this hospital you're giving weightage to other systems
of medicine and
particularly
especially our age-old
ancient-
Ayurvedic system, which is
ancient,
our
system.
Indian, part of our Indian culture also it is. Thank you.
Thanks.
Hello.
Welcome, ma'am.
Hello.
Name?
The EDTA, chelation therapy, this is the pavilion for
Yes,
that. Can you please explain this, what it is?
Never heard of this.
EDTA as such is the chelating agent, and the chelation therapy is the medical procedure which is used to treat or which is used to clear the toxins from the body.
Okay.
In nowadays, we are mostly prone to get toxins because of the medicines which we are using
Okay.
in our day-to-day
Okay.
life.
Okay.
So this EDTA chelation therapy can be used to reverse or to treat the certain conditions like cardiac conditions like CAD, and then for autoimmune diseases like
Oh.
rheumatoid arthritis,
Okay.
and for Parkinsonism also it is used.
Ophthalmic,
Yeah, for ophthalmic, for various disease conditions we are using it, and this is the chelating agent. This is the EDTA,
Okay.
which is the chelate which is used for the drip, and we are
So
using
it is
it
in the
drip.
form of a drip,
Drip.
is it?
Yeah, we are giving
So
the
this is
patients.
used in the drip,
yeah,
is
it
it?
is used in the drip. We are injecting it for the patients via the drip.
And
So they are in patients.
They are in outpatients.
Uh-huh.
They will be staying here for around 3 hours. That's
That's
all.
all.
That's
Just an outpatient.
Yes.
And how long does the drip have to run?
It has to. That is
For 3 hours. Okay. 3 hours
will be-
includes the.
Yeah.
And what are the contraindications for EDTA? யாருக்கு யூஸ் பண்ணலாம், யாருக்கு யூஸ் பண்ண முடியாது?
Mainly, as we are using this EDTA chelate, it focuses on the kidneys. We are focusing on the kidneys because for past 48 hours, within 48 hours, it will be removed via kidney.
Okay.
So for the kidney failure patients and so, it's very highly sensitive.
Okay.
So we are not more using for them.
Okay, you are not using
Yeah,
it.
it is the main contraindication.
Okay.
Another thing is that for CCF and all, we are using.
Okay.
It's well and good.
Okay.
And for past 2 years, we have given a statistics for around 100 patients. And this is the diabetic neuropathy case,
Okay.
where around 45 cases were benefited, and around them, 9 cases were excellent, give their excellent report,
Oh.
and overall improvement in around 38 cases.
Oh, that's
So,
about
yeah,
58%. More than half the
Yeah.
cases
Yes,
have
of course,
have,
of course.
responded very
So
well.
the same way we have given for Parkinsonism, CAD cases, and for arthritic pain, and for CVA cases also.
By arthritic, we mean only rheumatoid arthritis or osteoarthritis? Both. Okay.
Osteoarthritis
General.
also, all
And
types.
how effective in Parkinsonism also it is very
Yes,
effective, is
yeah.
it? Okay.
Yes, it's
Okay.
more effective. And the
Okay.
patients, in Parkinsonism, the patient came with the complaints of giddiness, who after taking off around 8 drips, his giddiness was not there.
Okay.
He was fully recovered,
Okay.
and now he is not complaining of such complaints.
Okay.
Yeah,
And he is able to walk
Yeah,
freely.
he was able to walk freely also.
Okay.
Another case also came with difficulty in walking, slurred speech,
Okay.
and he was unable to sit in the ground.
Oh.
But he was able to sit after about 9th drip of
Oh,
EDTA
that is-
chelation.
That is
That's
very
why-
nice.
yeah, like that.
Thank
This
you
is the
very much.
EDTA.
And,
First we saw about the EDTA,
Yes.
now it is the renal unit.
Okay.
And in renal, it is the renal failure cases, which is divided into 3 groups. That is childhood nephritis or autoimmune disease. And next one is drug induced, that is for paracetamol and NSAIDs also causes renal failure.
Okay.
And the systemic illnesses like diabetes,
Okay.
hypertension, and all causing the renal conditions.
Okay.
And for our primary aim is to first of all reduce the interval of hemodialysis. The interval time should be increased so that the hemodialysis can be reduced, and then to postpone the need for the dialysis for the patients, and overall to reduce the cost they are spending
Yes,
here.
definitely, yeah.
And the main therapies which are used here is ginger therapy, dynamic acupuncture, as well as the Ayurveda. First of all, Ayurveda in the sense case with CKD, they have a 35 years old man who came with the complaints of case of glomerular nephritis and renal failure, and he was given a time period that he has to undergo renal transplantation within 2 years of life. So he was so afraid, and then he was
35 years.
yeah, at the age of 35.
35, okay.
Then he went to Dr. Sharma, who referred him and who gave him the treatment of Ayurveda. And by getting the Ayurveda, his levels were superbly increased.
Okay.
His urine microalbumin level, you can just see in the chart,
Oh,
which
yeah.
is reduced from 337 to 112.
Very
It's
drastic.
drastically
and
reduced
dramatic.
because of Ayurveda.
And he is presently working overtime
Yeah,
without benefit.
without
That is very
benefit.
good. That is very good.
That is the Ayurvedic.
Next is
Video அப்புறம் போடுங்க.
Video வரணும். அப்புறமா போடு because of the
Oh, this is.
Next is the ginger therapy. This is also one of the therapy which is used for renal failure patients, and it is just that it is the therapy we can just in the statistics if we can use it. Before ginger therapy, the patient's output was nil, but after doing this therapy and all, it is improved to 100 ml. And it is a very simple therapy, and it's not like dialysis. They have to come here and do the therapy. They can do it at home.
Home.
It's a very
Very,
good
it's a home
effect.
remedy. It's like a
Yeah.
home remedy and
Yeah.
also no side effects.
Side effects also
That's
not
very
there. And this is a simple procedure which can be done within a time period of 1 hour. Just boil the
So how do you
Ginger.
teach them, is it?
Yeah, of course. We are teaching them, and we are showing it in a video, and we are giving them a
Then they can
tablet.
go home and do it.
Yeah.
That is very nice. Thank you.
And please, this is for your information.
Okay.
Oh.
Okay. Genta.
Drugging the
Okay,
kidneys.
drugging the kidneys.
So like we saw.
You saw the over-drugging and the over-diagnosis. There are so many
So
drugs.
many drugs,
Yes,
that's what
and
we
statins we
said.
were told have many side effects.
Yes,
on the
yeah.
kidneys.
Okay. So if you take all these drugs, it will ultimately
Ultimately
damage the
kidneys.
kidneys.
Damage the
So
kidneys.
that's very good. This chart is very
Very
nicely
nice.
prepared.
This is our treatment, DAM therapy,
Okay.
dynamic acupuncture therapy, where we are giving it for CKD patients who were on dialysis,
Okay.
and 12 were on dialysis and 8 were on non-dialysis. 12 were without dialysis and
Okay.
8 were on
On
dialysis.
dialysis.
Yeah.
So how is the improvement there?
Improvement from how they are getting it, they are getting the improvement via the DAM therapy. Which is
Okay.
Very good improvement.
Very good improvement.
Above 90%.
Yes.
Yes.
Madam, Deepa Madam, 100.